This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, now we have a concept which is known as bookmarks. It is really very useful to do some activity. For example, I have taken one of the use case that is known as clear all slicers in Power BI. Let me give this one from the GitHub page so that I can able to show better. So I have here somewhere GitHub page. Let me go to the GitHub page. Okay, so already I uploaded this one in the GitHub. So in the github.powerbi, there is a notebooks. Then in the notebooks, we have one of the MD file, bookmarks.md file. So this is what end of the day, what I am trying to do it. You are able to see one thing called as dname. It's a text box, what we taken. And here we have one slicer. And by default, it is showing as all here. Then one more text box we taken, which is known as job. Then we have here slicer. Then one pie chart we developed, that is salary by location wise distribution. In each location, how much money I am spending with respect to salary. And employee name wise salary, one more report I developed it. What I am trying to explain majorly is the clear all button. We are seeing something known as clear all button here. How it is going to function here. How it is going to function here. For example, I have here the PBX file also open. Let me give the first demonstration. So you can see here, suppose I am selecting something known as, let us say research I am selecting. Then research wise data it is showing or not. In the research, these are the employees are working. So only those employees are showing here. And also I am selecting, let us say something known as, okay, analyst I am selecting it. I think two analysts are available. One is known as Ford, second is known as Scott. Only these two employees only showing. So I filtered for research. I filtered for analyst. According to that one, these two graphs are showing the data. Now, if I press Control from the keyboard, then press this clear all button. Now see what is happening. It is going to the all right. It is resetting to the all right.
Yes.
So that's how to design this kind of thing we have to understand. This is what I am naming it as clear all slicers. How we can clear all the slicers we are trying to give the use case. How to clear all slicers is the use case. To do this clear all slicers, we have the concept of bookmark. Bookmark is going to help you to do this one. Okay, I will do this same report from the beginning. I will try to do it so that it will be more clear for you. I am trying to take here some new notebook I am taking. Let me go to the file, then new I am trying to take it. So now I've opened here some new notebook I am trying to open. New Power BI desktop. It's opening. Okay. Now we are in the Power BI desktop window. I am trying to go for get the data. In the get the data, I am trying to select here SQL Server I am selecting. And I'm using, for simple concept to understand purpose, I'm using EMP/DEPT only, but you can use any database, any data you can use it. I'm going for SQL Server database. Then I have here localhost, then ITEC/DB. You can use even MS Excel also, you can use it to do this concept. I'm using SQL Server, but you can use anything, whatever you wanted. Okay, if you don't have SQL Server, go with the Excel. In the Excel, we have the EMP/DEPT data. With that, you can play around it. I am taking these two tables known as EMP and DEPT. I am trying to click on load. Till here, there is no learning. Now, what I want here, as for my screenshot, whatever we are seeing in the GitHub page, I am looking for something which is known as dname. I am looking. So this dname is a text box. How to design this one, we have to understand. If you see here, this filters window, we don't want at this point of time. Just minimize this one. Like this, you can click on this one so that the space will be more space we have here. Now here you can see that text box. Click on the text box so that we are going to get here one text box. Then write whatever you want it. I am writing here dname I want it, followed by one colon also I want it, give one space also. This one I want to write in the 12 is the size I want to put it, and I want to make this as a bold, I want to make it. And we are trying to minimize this one as much as possible. We are minimizing it, and also we are trying to reduce this side also. I am trying to reduce as much as I can. Okay, then this dname, whatever available, I am trying to fix here the size also, size something. I am fixing something like this. I am fixing this background. I want here yellow, for example, as for the screen. So I am trying to select this one, and there is a properties background is on. Background is on. Then you can expand here background. Then you can notice there is a color option. The color is equal to, we are seeing as something yellow. I am selecting. Now I am seeing here dname, and we are seeing this as yellow. We are seeing it. Now I want to keep here one slicer. I want it in order to select here whatever I want it, right? So we need to go for some slicer. So there is a slicer option is available. Already you know it. The slicer position we are putting properly. It should be exactly attaching to this one. So I kept here exactly attaching to this one. And also I want to keep the slicer background color is equal to, for our understanding purpose, it's not allowing me to do it now because I didn't selected any column. Let me select one column first. Dname column I selected. Now once I selected the dname column, then it will, all the options are enabled for me. I can select now background color. The background color is equal to some light gray color. I am selecting it, let's say. Then I am trying to minimize this one as much other yellow color wherever it is ending. Both should be in the same line. We are seeing some kind of red line, right? The red line indicates both are same aligned. Alignment is very important because we are doing the presentation, right? End user or business is going to see it. That is the reason you should be carefully how to do the alignment. Now this dname properly, I don't want the title here. So go and try to disable here slicer header. I don't want it. Now we are able to see some kind of drop down. And before aligning itself, if you are able to make sure this has some kind of properties here, some kind of properties. I think this color is not looking great. This color is not looking great. Let me change this background color as something else. So background color as I am making as very thick color it is. I am trying to make as somewhat light color. One moment. Okay. So we have here something here. Then go and try to observe. There is an option called as search option. Suppose today I have only 4 departments are available. Tomorrow I have 50 departments are available. Then how we are going to search it? So you should provide a search option. You should provide it. Okay, that's what we are providing, the search option. Searching here yellow color is available means that is enabled and that should be available to you here. That is the significance. Now go and try to change here the background color also. I think we missed that one. We need to go for background color. I am going for background color as some light color. I want to keep it. Let us say some light color. I kept it. Now this one keep as a whatever we have it. Now whatever we have it, we are trying to keep this one the same way aligned. Okay, something like this I kept here.
This conference will now be
Okay,
recorded.
so here we also have something known as some buttons. So this is known as clear selections. Only for this slicer, if you want to click on this one, the selection will be cleared out. If you see, for example, I selected this, then if you click on this one, this selection will be cleared. But my title of the chapter is clear all slicers, not one slicer. That is the reason this button will not help you now, because I want to clear all the slicers at a time. And also I want this one as a drop down, I want it. So I am selecting a drop down, I am selecting. Okay, and also if you go here, if select here something which is known as okay, as of now that's fine. Let us go and try to keep this one the same height. So I am trying to keep here same height, we are trying to keep it. And dname I don't want to show here because already I kept here text box. So this title I don't want. There is a slicer address available, try to disable that one so that that will be off. And try to keep this one in the same level, you try to keep it. Suppose it's not appearing nice means, then go and try to make sure what cases it is going to appear, try to keep in that way. And according to this one, this text box, you can go and you can increase the size, you can increase it. But make sure both are available in the same level of sizes, it should be available so that it looks beautiful. That's it. Wow, beautiful. Now we created one text box and we created one slicer. In the slicer, it's showing here some kind of D names is showing it. Now the same two things, I want one more set, I want it because I want to keep the job also. I have here job also I have, right? Same this kind of things, or I want one more set. Instead of creating from the scratch, you can go for Control A, Control C, and you can click somewhere here, then go for here Control V. Then I got those two things, we got it. Once you got those two things, then go and try to drag those two things. Oh, I missed it. Go and try to drag those two things. Yeah, this dragging and dropping should be a bit careful. Okay. Yeah. Now we have here this D name is available. Let me okay. So try to keep here. This is the D name. Make sure it should be same sizes are available. Some reason we are not able to drag properly. Something the sizes are disturbed. Let us say how we can adjust those things. Okay, because this tool is somewhat dragging and dropping has some issues. If you see this D name now, okay, what is the size we are seeing here? If you go to the general page, there you can see the size 96 by 48. Make sure this D name also available, same sizes 96 by 48. Luckily, we have the same sizes. Similarly, this also, for example, we have now what is the size of this one? If select this one, there you can see the size is we have 304 by 48. This also make sure 304 by 48. Okay, if it's 304 by 48. So now we are seeing both are in the same sizes. Okay, now I don't want this test here. I want the test as, let us say, job. I want the test. So I'm trying to change this test as job. I am changing it. Now I want this column also. I'm interested in this column as here. Go to the D name, delete this D name. I'm interested about the job. Let us go and try to add this job. Try to add it. Wow, beautiful. Now we are able to see now job also. We are able to see it. And we're able to see here rename also, we're able to see it. Okay, now we want sets functionality here. You can enable sets functionality in both the cases. You can go ahead and you can enable it. Suppose for this also, now we want to enable sets functionality. We are enabling the sets functionality. So that now we are seeing here some sets box we are seeing. If I type here MA, then automatically we are seeing wherever MA is available, I am able to see. There is a purpose of this one. If I have a large amount of data, then the sets box will be very helpful. Beautiful. Now we completed two text boxes with the same sizes, two slicers with the same sizes, and one is dname, one is job. I want to take here one pie chart. I want it. Let us click here, then go and try to select here some pie chart. Now I am seeing here some pie chart. I am seeing it. Make sure here also alignment similarly. For example, I want dname wise salary distribution. I want it exactly below I want or something like that. Then make sure the red line is important here. Are you seeing the red line?
Yes.
Yeah. Whenever we got the red line, drop it. Now I want this one, for example, location wise salary distribution. I want it. Let us say I selected location wise salary. Now I am seeing all the locations I am seeing here. You can I can increase the size whatever way you want it. Location wise salary I am seeing it. Now I want this one to be copied and pasted here. I am trying to paste here. Then I am moving this one to the same level. We are trying to move it. Okay, and make sure this also aligned like this. We are seeing the red line, so that means these two are in the same line. We have it. The red lines are very important. Now I am keeping like this, and I am trying to select this one as the e-name wise salary I want it. So location I am removing it. Then I am selecting here e-name. I am selecting now e-name wise salary. We are seeing it. Wow, beautiful. Till here we did nothing new, no new learning. Only we are trying to know the alignments, how we can do it. Okay, taking care of minute things, the colors. There should not be any gap between this and this, something like that. All are very minute things, but which are going to be escalated if you are sending same thing to the business. Business is very importantly seeing this all colors, color is matching or not, those all things. Okay. Now we'll start the bookmarks. What is their available dname? Subbu, Soumya, what is available dname? All. What is available job? All. If these two are all is available, I am creating the bookmark. You tell me general bookmark meaning is what? Suppose I am going to the some website. I am going. In this website, there is a bookmark option is available. What is the bookmark meaning? At this point of time, whatever way page is available, that I am trying to click on the bookmark, right?
Yes, yes.
Similar to that line of explanation, here also both are available here, all available, right? With this all property, I want to create here one bookmark. I want to create it. To create the bookmark, you need to go to the view menu. In the view menu, we can see there is an option called as bookmark span. We saw at this point of time filter span, visualization span, field span. Similar to these three spans, we do have here bookmark span, selection span, like that. I am going for bookmark span, so that now see here one window extra came, right?
Yes.
Previously we have only fields, visualizations, filters. Now we are seeing bookmark span also. Now I don't want visualizations, so I am trying to minimize it. I don't want fields also. I am trying to minimize it time being. Okay, or you want visualizations, keep that visualizations. Okay, fields I don't want it. Now at this stage of the page, I am creating the bookmark. You can notice here what it is saying. Use bookmarks to capture key data for yourself and others. Filter that data to get to the state you want to capture. Click on the add. This is where we have to add the bookmark. I am trying to click on here add. My goal is what? What is the title of the chapter? Clear all slicers. So I am also renaming this one as clear all. I am renaming. Whatever name I want, I can put it. Now this bookmark is nothing but whenever I click on this bookmark, I am going to get this page, I am going to get it. Whenever I click on this clear all, I am going to get what? This page, I am going to get it. Now, this bookmarks will not be visible to the business. You are a technical guy, you know how to go to the view menu, you know how to go to the bookmark span, you know how to create this one. These all things you know it. Business don't know navigation of these all things. So I need to create one button here, and the button and this clear all bookmark I have to link up. I have to handshake. How to create the button here and how to map to this clear all we have to understand. Now, okay, I am trying to close this one. Bookmarks, I am closing it. Now I don't want it. I created a bookmark and I named that as a clear all. I named it. Okay. Now I am going to the home. There is a button concept is available. This is a button. You can create even image also. Up to you. Image you can create or buttons you can create it. At this point of time, I am going for the button. There are left arrow button, right arrow button, reset button, back button, information button, and number of things are there. I am selecting blank, I am selecting it. Click on the blank. Now you can see in this corner, I got here, blank, I got it. Let us move this blank, whatever available to here. Okay, actually some buttons, those all things as standard width, standard height. So if you are able to keep in the standard way as it is, it will be very good. So I am trying to provide here blank. For this, I want to provide some text. I want to provide it. Let us go and try to provide some text here. Now it's showing here the blank button properties is showing here. I selected button. That's what is showing the button properties. Button text is off is available. I am trying to on. Then providing here some name. Any name you can provide it. Any name you can provide it, but I am providing meaningful name. That is, we are creating this one to clear all filters. So I am giving the name as clear all filters, something like this I am giving. Or if we like clear all is enough, we can put the only clear all, you can put it. Now we are putting the clear all, and I want to go for, let's say, some background color is equal to differently I want it. Background color I want here, let us say buttons generally will keep in the some kind of background color, so I'm keeping some kind of background color like this. Okay, is it clear? Now one of the important activity in this one now is there is a action. We have the button here, we have the bookmarks here. We have the bookmark here, we have the button here. How we are going to handshake between these two things? We have to create the handshake, right?
Yes.
That handshake we are going to implement now. Once you select this button here, there you can see one of the option that's called as action. Expand the action, try to switch on that one, then type is equal to select here bookmark. And whatever bookmarks you created using the bookmark span, those all things will be visible to you. At this point of time, how many bookmarks you created? Only one. That's the reason one only displaying to you.
Yeah, clear all.
Yeah, I am selecting clear all. Then we can give some tooltip also. Okay, clear all filters selection. Let us say something like that. Tooltip also you can provide it. Whenever you put your cursor here, that will be showing whatever I written over there, that is showing over there now, right? Clear all filter selection is showing. Now, okay, we completed now, handshake also completed. Let us go and try to save this one. I am saving it onto the somewhere, let us say clear all bookmark already available. I am keeping this as a one. I am keeping. Okay. Now let's go and try to test this one. Is it working or not? I am trying to select here, for example, accounting. I am selecting. Now it is modifying as per the data or not?
Yes.
Now I am going here. I am selecting. Let us say in accounting, who are the presidents are available? I want it. I have only one president. I am seeing it. I played around it. Thereafter, I decided I want to go back to my original state. My original state is what? Selecting here all, selecting here all, right?
Yes.
Today I have only two things. I can go and I can manually also can select it. But if I have 20 things, 20 filters are available, how we are going to do it? That's where we set up here clear all. Now press Control button from the keyboard, then click on here clear all button. Now you can notice if you click that, I am seeing here all, I am seeing here all. Automatically it is resetting, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is what, how to create the bookmark and how to create the button, how to map the button and bookmark, we understand. This is very important use case. Clearing all the filters may be required in almost all the reports. It is general concept.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Now I want to create one more bookmark. I want to create it. For example, I want to create one more bookmark. I want to create it. Let us go and try to create one more bookmark. Let us say I don't want here clear all. I want to select, for example, accounting. I want to select as a default. Okay, and here I want to select, let us say, in the accounting, for example, king is available, president is available, president. So this state whatever available now, right? With this I want to create a bookmark, and I will create a one button, accounting president I want it. For example, whenever I click on that one, wherever I am there, doesn't matter, I have to come to this page. Are you getting my point? Let me create one bookmark now. Select the bookmark span. Then already we have the clear all. I want to create one more thing, add. I'm trying to rename this one as, okay, we are trying to do accounting as my selection and president as my other selection. I am creating one bookmark. Now I am creating one button here. Let me create here one button. Let's say I am going for one blank button. I got here button, I got it. Let me take this button here, for example. So if you click on this button, what will happen is it will come to the accounting and what? President. You can give any name, you can give it, for example. Now I want to keep here some color also. I am keeping here some color as background color as something called as blue or something I am giving, for example. Then I am going for action, then on, action is on. Then we are selecting bookmark. Then we are seeing how many bookmarks we are seeing?
Two.
Two we are seeing now. Why? Because we created what?
Another one.
Two are available. Now I am selecting accounting and president as selected. Then I am trying to save it. For example, now I am selecting here something known as sales, something known as here, let us say sales related. We are selecting managers who are the managers are available. I am seeing only sales related one manager. Now tell me if I click on this one, where it will go. If I click on this one, where it will go. If I click on this one, it will go to the D name is equal to what? Accounting, and job is equal to president, it will go, right?
Yes.
Let me press the control and let me click on this one. Now you can notice we got here accounting and president. If I click on this one, it will go to the all it is going.
Okay.
If we click on this one, it is going to the accounting and president.
Okay.
Tomorrow, 2 or 3 layouts you want to create here. Tomorrow, 2 or 3 layouts you want to create here. Then you can also go and try to create it. For example, I want to show same data in 2 visualizations. I want to show same data in 2 visualizations. How I can show it? For example, I am taking this table. I am taking. This is the table. In this table, I am going with the fields. For example, I am trying to take here D name. I have the D name here. Then I have the salary here. So dname and salary, I am showing it. I want to create this as a table. I want to create one bookmark. Let us go to the view, then bookmark span, and I'm trying to create here one thing that is named as, let us say, rename, and we are saying this as a table. Okay. Now I want to create here one button. I want to, if I click on this one, it has to go to the table. So that's the reason I am creating one button, and this bookmark I will try to map over there. So going to the home, then I am trying to create here one button. I am trying to create it. Let us take this one as a button here, and this button text I am trying to add here as, okay, it's a table kind of thing. So I am trying to put it as table. I am putting, okay, table I am putting. Then going down here, there is a option called as background color. Let me put the background color as something gray color here. Then I am trying to go for action. The action is equal to, I am trying to select here as a bookmarks I am selecting. This bookmark I am selecting here as, let us say, table I am selecting it. Okay, I am writing here switch to table data. For example, like the tooltip also I am putting it. Now I got here table. I got here table, I got it. Are you clear about it? Now
Yes.
what I want to do is, okay, I'm keeping this one as a saving. I'm trying to save here. I saved it. I saved it. Now what I want is, let me delete this one. I am deleting it. And also I am going here, then I'm trying to delete this also. I deleted this, for example. Then I want to create here one pie chart. I want to create it. And that I want to show as a pie chart here, and I can keep here. Let me do one more way. Okay, let it be like this. Then whatever we have this table, let me copy it. Then I am trying to paste here. One more thing, I got it. Okay. Then this one, whatever we have it, this one I am changing as, let us say, pie chart. I want it, for example. Let me click on here pie chart. I am trying to click on it. And I want to create here, add one more visualization, one more bookmark. This naming as pie. I am trying to renaming. Pie. I am trying to renaming it. For this second one, second button, whatever available, I am trying to go to the action. There I am selecting here bookmark is equal to pie. I am selecting. Then switch to, let us say this as pie. I am trying to provide it. Pie data I am providing. Then I am going to the button text is equal to, also I am changing as pie. I am changing it. Okay, now go to the, I am closing this bookmarks now. Now we have here something like this. Then if you press here, something, same thing is overriding, I think. Oh, sorry.
We didn't create one more pie chart. The table.
Okay, same thing is overwritten.
Yeah. Same overwritten.
Okay, anyhow, so like this, you can create one table and one pie, couple of things you can create it, and you can be able to toggle between table and pie. That kind of one more use case also available. Okay, but best use case is, this is the best use case, I can say. Clear all is the best use case. I'll give some time, try to produce same kind of report, try to produce it. Please do it.
Okay.